So 12x square, and these two get adjusted with each other. So these two get adjusted with each other, minus 7xy upon 5, and remaining as they are. So 12x square minus 7xy minus 12y square upon 25. Next, if x plus 1 upon 5 equals to 5, find x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4. Remember, it's raised to 4. So if you take the formula of x plus 1 upon x the whole square, it will be only x square. So it means you will have to take this formula 2 times. Okay, let's start then. X plus 1 upon x the whole square equals to 5 square, right? So x square plus 2 into x gets cancelled, plus 1 upon x square equals to 25. Take 2 on this side. Therefore x square plus 1 upon x square equals to 23. Okay. Now we want x raised to 4. So again do the same logic, same thing to this. So x square plus 1 upon x square the whole square equals to 23 square. 23 square is 529. Learn tables up to 30 squares up to 30. That's what, as I say in every video. So solve this now. X raised to 4 plus 2 into x square gets cancelled, plus 1 upon x raised to 4 equals to 529. Take 2 on this side. So x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 equals to 527. That's the required answer. Next, what must be subtracted from x raised to 4 plus 2x square minus 3x plus 7 to get x cube plus x square plus x minus 1? Means you will have to subtract something from this to get this. So let a be subtracted. Why didn't we take x? Because it's already x over here. So let a be subtracted. So x raised to 4. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.